it's Luke here and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the Nürburgring, where today we've got a feature with this F80 M3. This is a track spec example. It's a stage 2 car running around 525 horsepower, and the owner Ryan obviously takes it around at the Nürburgring quite a lot. He's actually done a 742 before. So of course, in usual fashion, we'll catch up with him. He can walk us around it, basically what he's done before. We're head on out to the Nordschleife for a quick lap. Okay, so we're joined now with Ryan, the owner. Mate, thank you so much for, well, taking me out on this. Very much so looking forward to the lap, which we'll get to later on. But beforehand, it's a stage 2 car?
Yeah, stage 2.
525?
Yeah, 525.
Yeah.
I think it's 525 foot-pounds, somewhere around that.
Nice, yeah.
Only cooling mods is literally Direnza charge cooler,
Yeah, top there.
charge cooler radiator, and both auxiliary coolers have done. That's pretty much it. It's got double decats, and that's pretty much it. Under bonnet and panel filters.
Yeah. Suppose you don't want to chuck so much power at it.
Yeah, no, that's it. It's more than enough power for what it is at the moment.
Do you reckon you'll go more?
No, probably not. If I needed turbos or anything, I'd just use originals again and just keep it around that power.
I mean, they get silly power when you get turbos on them.
Well, yeah, that's in it. So you do that, you've got more issues then.
Yeah. Move around. Wheel setup, what we're running at the moment?
Pro Tracks 10J square setup.
Nice,
with 295 trophy R's all round. 10mm spacers on front, none on rear. EBC XRP, is it pads all round, trying them out.
Nice,
So far so good, just a bit dusty. From what you can see.
You can see, you've done some laps already over the weekend. But
it's got BC BR coilovers. They do the job for what they are, but they will be getting changed at some point.
Nice bits of aero on it as well, got canards and splitters at the front.
Canards, splitters homemade, it did have the carbon wood on. But that went out special. I destroyed that within the first 2 laps, so I put that under it just to help it a little. And
then obviously, nice fixed wing on the back. They do look cool with a wing on the back, I think.
Yeah, I prefer the Team Screamer one, but you got to do what you got to do sometimes.
Downturned exhaust as well, is that just a turbo back or?
It is just standard back box.
With
tips welded on. That would just what noise restrictions in UK. Over here it'd be fine, but it's just.
You struggle in the UK then?
Yeah, it was 95 decibels drive-by last one.
Some of the tracks then.
Yeah, that's it. So I didn't want to chance it driving all the way there.
Yeah, fair enough. And then inside, obviously we've got a nice build in here, half cage.
Yeah, it's got an SW half cage. And Corbu Club Sport bucket seats, I think they are.
Nice,
With just some 4-point scruff harnesses.
It's obviously a DCT car, this one. Obviously that's been mapped as well, I presume. Yeah,
I think it's just the GTS map. It's a boot mod 3, stage 2.
Fair play. And how many laps have you done around here in it at the moment?
I've lost count, to be honest. I think this is its 5th time here now, so a fair few. I should have kept count, but...
Good few hundred, probably?
I won't say a few hundred, but it's done a fair few.
Yeah, no, fair play.
It's taking it well.
I think that's pretty much everything. We'll get it fired up and go do a lap.
Yeah, sound.
So late, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm using them EBCs at XRPs, trying them out. Yeah, it does well. It's because no weight to it really now, is there?
Yeah. Back through here. 150, 160. Wow. Stand on the brakes, wow. Down into the foxhole, one of my favourite bits.
bottom of the foot, so it did just scrape.
Yeah, you can feel it just touch slightly.
Just touch it.
It's so stable though. Where you've stripped some weight out, it just feels so much quicker.
Like seats and everything.
Yeah. Bumping down to 4 RS. Flag, we're out of that now. Back on it. Little Whifferman challenge. Down into Brunchen, everyone's favourite corner. Stable. You just lean on it. Over the pine crest. South towards the end of the lap. And there we go. Mate, that was mega.
It's alright.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
That was rapid. It feels so much quicker than 525.
I think it's just with weight. I had a lot of problems with heat soak before.
Yeah.
With the standard coolers on. But ever since changing charge cooler radiators, it's made such a big difference.
They're all good, but mega. Well, that is it for me, seeing as the lap is over. If you want to learn more about the build, I will leave the Instagram link down in the description down below. But for me today, that is it. Hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, please make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for all the adventures. Still to come.